Our lesson for today will blow your mind. Kumusta po kayo? Welcome back. This video is still a continuation of our lesson on the Tagalog enclitic particle kaya, which can be translated as perhaps, I wonder, what do you suppose, what do you think, what if, thus, that's why. We will combine the particle kaya with other particles we have learned so far, like the enclitic particles na, pa, ba, lang, and naman. If you have missed any of those, you can check them out by using the links in our description box down below. You should know by now that mixing enclitic particles in the same phrase or in the same sentence increases the texture and expands the meaning of that phrase or sentence. So, let's take a look at how mixing the enclitic particle kaya with na, pa, ba, lang, and naman creates new meanings to a phrase or a sentence in Tagalog. This is a big topic, so I am breaking up this topic into 3 videos, starting with this one, so that you are not overwhelmed. So, tara, simulan na natin. But before we do that, please be mindful of 2 things. Number 1, enclitic particles are hard to translate directly into English and are highly dependent on context. The best that we can do is to approximate what they mean. Number 2, our examples are by no means extensive as the usage can be varied, but they are enough to get you started in using Tagalog enclitic particles to enrich your learning of the Tagalog language. Cool? Now, these are the combinations we will be using. Na kaya, suggesting an action to be done by someone. Pa kaya, clarifying an action or existence of something. Ba kaya, emphatically asking a question. Lang kaya, clarifying the limited nature of something. Na lang kaya, signifying an alternative choice because there is no other choice. Naman kaya, suggesting a choice that someone may have missed. Na naman kaya, signifying the repeat appearance of something. Please be reminded that these definitions are not exact, as translation may vary a bit depending on the context of a conversation. Throughout this video, I will be using some personal pronouns as the subject. Let's begin with the combination na kaya. This combination suggests an action to be done by someone. Here goes. Ako na. I'll go first. Let me do it. Ako na kaya? Do you think it's me now? Do you think it's my turn now? Notice that with a change in tone, the meaning and context changes. Listen to this. Ako na kaya? It is I who will go now, if you remember. It is I who will do it now, if you remember. Did you catch that? Here's some more. Ikaw na. It's your turn, you do it. Ikaw na kaya? Do you think it's you already? Do you think it's your turn now? Ikaw na kaya? It is you who will go now, if you remember. It is you who will do it now, if you remember. Tayo na. It's our turn now. Let's go now. Tayo na kaya? Do you think it's us already? Do you think it's our turn now? Tayo na kaya? It is us who will go now, if you remember. It is us who will do it now, if you remember. Ayos ba? You can substitute the subject with other personal pronouns or names of people and you will get similar meanings. Moving on to the next combination. Pa, kaya. The combination clarifies an action or existence of something. But before we do that, please be sure that you are subscribed by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you'll be updated of new videos. Cool? Now, our next combination, pa, kaya. Ako pa. There's still me. Ako pa kaya? Do you think there's still me? Ako pa kaya? There's still me if you remember. Ikaw pa. There's still you. Ikaw pa kaya? Do you think there's still you? Ikaw pa kaya? There's still you if you remember. Tayo pa. There's still us. Tayo pa kaya? Do you think there's still us? Tayo pa kaya? There's still us if you remember. Ayos ba? So far, so good. Next up is the combination of ba, kaya. Remember, the particle ba is also a question marker. So, the combination emphatically asks a question. Here goes. Ako ba? Is it me? Are you referring to me? Ako ba kaya? Do you think I'm being referred to? Do you think it's me? Ikaw ba? Is it you? Ikaw ba kaya? Do you think you are being referred to? Do you think it's you? Tayo ba? Is it us? Tayo ba kaya? Do you think we are being referred to? Do you think it's us? Cool? The next combination is lang kaya, which clarifies the limited nature of something. Ako lang. It's just me. Ako lang kaya? Do you think it's just me? Ako lang kaya? It's just me if you haven't noticed. Ikaw lang. It's just you. Ikaw lang kaya? Do you think it's just you? Ikaw lang kaya? It's just you if you haven't noticed. Tayo lang. Just us. Tayo lang kaya? Do you think it's just us? Tayo lang kaya? It's just us if you haven't noticed. Again, you may substitute these personal pronouns with any other subject. Moving on to our next combination, na lang kaya, signifying an alternative choice because there is no other choice. Ako na lang. It's just me for now. Let me do it. There's no one else. Ako na lang kaya? Do you think I should do it since there's no one else? Ako na lang kaya? I think I should do it since there's no one else. Ikaw na lang. It's just you for now. Do it, there's no one else. Ikaw na lang kaya? Do you think you should do it since there's no one else? Ikaw na lang kaya? I think you should do it since there's no one else. Tayo na lang. It's just us. Let us do it. There's no one else. Tayo na lang kaya? Do you think we should do it since there's no one else? Tayo na lang kaya? I think we should do it since there's no one else. Ayos ba? I hope our examples are clear and that you're getting the hang and sense of how the combinations of these particles work. Here's another particle, naman kaya, suggesting a choice that someone may have missed. Here goes. Ako naman. It's my turn. I've been waiting long enough. Ako naman kaya? Do you think it's my turn? Ako naman kaya? It's my turn since I've waited long enough if you haven't noticed. Ikaw naman. It's your turn. Ikaw naman kaya? Do you think it's your turn? Ikaw naman kaya? It's your turn since you've waited long enough if you haven't noticed. Tayo naman. It's our turn. Tayo naman kaya? Do you think it's our turn? Tayo naman kaya? It's our turn since we waited long enough if you haven't noticed. If you're enjoying this video so far, please be sure to hit the like button because that will help in growing this channel. Alright? Now, on to our last combination. Na naman kaya, signifying the repeat appearance of something. Here are our examples. Ako na naman. It's me again. Ako na naman kaya? Do you think it's me again? Ako na naman kaya? It's me again if you haven't noticed. Ikaw na naman. It's you again. Ikaw na naman kaya? Do you think it's you again? Ikaw na naman kaya? It's you again if you haven't noticed. Tayo na naman. It's us again. Tayo na naman kaya? Do you think it's us again? Tayo na naman kaya? It's us again if you haven't noticed. Ayos ba? I hope our examples gave you a flavor of how combining the particle kaya with other particles increases the texture and expands the meaning of a phrase or a sentence. There are more examples and I will cover those in the next videos. Be sure to catch those. I will see you again soon. Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa susunod.